Oh God, I forgot his name. John. Johnny, I got your Rakon 76 all finished up. Beautiful quad here. Oh man, so I'm using a different camera now. I'm totally not used to it. I'm used to being able to see what the video is showing through my phone. Now I'm not using my phone and it's messing me up. Alright, so here it is. Hopefully the camera is looking good. So first thing we will do is run through the parts. So we got the Rakon 76 frame, the Delrin, you got the DYS 1102 10,000 kV motors. The stack is the Super S F4. You got the U-Sky FR Sky receiver, so it has telemetry and RSSI. You got some 40mm Rakon props. You got the Tiny Whoop. Shit, I can't remember. I think it's called Steel Blue canopy. And then you have the Wolf Whoop Q2. So for this one, you will be able to reach the button for changing channels and stuff. Probably can't see it on camera, but you can use a little flathead or tweezers like me and listen. See, I'm pushing the button, you can hear it clicking. So not a problem to change channels and bands. Let's see, I'll grab my little screen. Get this thing on. Plug this bad boy in. There we go. So you can see the only OSD that's on right now is the battery full. I flashed this to 3.3, which is the newest firmware for Betaflight. And on 3.3, this is something I actually love that they changed, because I was so sick and tired of having to go to the OSD and turn off every single little thing. Because if you didn't, you had a screen full of OSD shit, just like 100 things all over the screen. So I'm glad that they got rid of all that stuff, but now you have to go in and turn on, you know, whatever you want on. Battery voltage, timer, RSSI. I could do that for you actually. I'll put it to where like I usually like it. I'll have the battery voltage here, then RSSI in the middle, and then the timer on the right. And then of course your warnings, and then your arm, disarm. And then you can put whatever you want if you don't like that. So there you go. Video's looking good. Okay. I already have it bound to my radio. So I'll arm it for you real quick. There you go. You can see it's working just fine. We'll do a little flight test. Whoa. God, I would fly these all day long if I could. I love this quad so much. I gotta build my own. I got a little story to tell, but I don't want to take up all the time on this guy's video. Nice punch. Ah, I love that zippy. Okay. So flies amazing. Video looks wonderful. All good to go. So next thing is I'll show you the receiver, the receiver, how to bind it. I'm hoping you know how to bind it. If you don't, you can get a hold of me and I can help you. But the receiver is in the back here. There's this blue heat shrink right here, and there's a little cutout on the right side, and there's a copper looking little square, and that's the bind button. Okay, so you want to hold that down while you're plugging in the batteries. So what I do is I'll plug one in, I'll get the other one almost plugged in like this, and hold it with one hand while I'm pushing down on the bind button, and then as soon as I got the bind button down, I'll plug that battery in, bind it up. You want your radio in D8 mode, and it'll bind right up. You'll be good to go. Everything's already set up, it's already tuned, ready to go. Just need to bind it and fly. So there you go, John. Thank you, and I will be shipping this out probably tomorrow, Saturday, and send you over some tracking. Alright, thank you.